How to increase your chance of having a normal delivery, part 2. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Santoshi Nandigam, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist in Cadence Hospitals, Nungambakkam, Chennai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, everybody is so paranoid about having a normal delivery, being able to do it all naturally, never get into the operation theatre or have a cesarean section. Now, as a mother, there are certain things which you can do and follow to increase your chance of having a normal delivery. So, number 1, practice mindfulness. So, meditating at least 5 to 10 minutes in a day can actually calm your nerves down, reduce the pregnancy anxiety, help you cope up with the pain and the stress of labor really well. So there are different tips to meditating. You can chant your favorite mantra, you can practice mindful meditation, you can practice guided meditation where someone guides you through the whole process of labor, process of meditation. And you can meditate thinking of something nice. It's called visual imagery meditation, where you feel safe, and you can use these tricks while you're in labor to cope up with the pain and to concentrate in promoting a positive birthing experience. Number 2, get used to using a birth ball. Now, the birth ball is like the best labor accessory that I have always suggested to my patients, and the patients have given really good feedbacks on usage of it. So what happens when you use a birth ball? So there are a couple of exercises which you can do while you are on the birth ball, including bouncing, rotating the hips, and these exercises will reduce your perception of pain when you are in labor. So nothing fancy, you can just go to Amazon, buy a birth ball with a circumference of 65 centimeters or 75 centimeters based on your height. So if you get used to using a birth ball in your pregnancy, probably in your third trimester, starting from your third trimester, you will get used to it in labor and you can get absolutely comfortable. And yes, the more active you are in labor, the easier is your labor progress going to be, and the higher are the chances of you having a normal delivery. Number 3, prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. Labor is full of surprises. Some women have really quick labor. They just come in pain, they deliver in a couple of hours, and the next thing they can imagine is just carrying their baby. Some women take really long. We don't know why people take long and why there is so much difference between the way one woman progresses and the way the other woman progresses. So always be open-minded about the fact that you are going to have, or you are going to see, some unexpected consequences or unexpected occurrences. So the more you are prepared for these situations or the occurrences, the better your body is going to be handling it. So prepare your mind mentally and emotionally about the whole process of labor. And you can do this by just journaling every single thought that comes to your mind. Try and remove the negative energy out of your head, and try and talk about more positive births or listen to positive birth stories. So it is common for women to have certain fears around the whole concept of labor. They can have a fear around the pain, they can have fear around the blood, they can have a fear around the whole concept of a normal delivery. Unless you talk it out, unless you read about it, your mind doesn't prepare for such a huge thing or such a huge change. Number 4, talk to your healthcare provider. Talk to your gynecologist. Your gynecologist, they're going to come and they're going to deliver the baby. So have some trust in them and talk to them. Ask your doubts. Be informed about everything that happens in your birth. See, gone are the days where the gynecologists think it is in their hands, it is in their call, it is their decision how to deliver the baby. Now the trend is, I don't want to call it a trend. Now the recent way to go about the whole process of labor and birth is informed and respectful birthing. So the mother and the father are informed about everything that happens in the whole process of labor. They tend to take a decision on their own after getting the right set of information. So be informed and try and have a respectful birth. I'm sure the gynecologists of late are completely in for birthing experience. Number 5, and my most favorite one, is find a birth doula. So this whole concept of birth doula is very popular in the Western worlds, where the pregnant mothers have someone one-on-one, have a trained birth doula to assist and support them through the whole process of labor. So how does it make a change? So when you have a birth doula, they are well versed with the whole process of labor. They know what happens in your body. They know what exactly is happening at that particular point of time, whether you're in early labor or whether you're in active labor or whether you're in latent phase of labor. And they know, and they are kind of very well versed with certain treatments or massages or anything that can get the pregnant mother to be extremely comfortable. So I think we should popularize the culture of having birth doula in India as well. And yes, if you have the opportunity, go read about birth doulas and find one for yourself. So incorporating these simple tips in your pregnancy and in your labor can increase your chance of having a normal delivery and a wonderful birthing experience. So if you like my videos and for more empowering content about pregnant women, about birthing and delivery, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.